everybody, this is Max Shark 100 and we're going to be doing a fit video. And here's my cat. Get away. No, go. About Gignotosaurus, you may have noticed. No, it's his whiskers. He's gonna kill all the dinosaurs. So yes, no. And so gotta do some facts of the Gignotosaurus. The video may have to be like this, but okay. Right, it lived in Argentina. It was a theropod, carnosaur, another saurid. But its meaning of name was giant southern lizard because it lived in South America, so it makes sense. It's named by Korea and Salago, 1995. I got those wrong, I know, but I'm not Argentinian. I cannot say those names. It was a barren stages of the Cretaceous period. Get out of the way, and it lived in it was a middle Cretaceous, really. Size 15 to 49 foot long. Hunter. It was a hunter. Species G. Carolina. This video's been ruined, but yeah, get away. And that's all for now. Bye. And there's not going to be much videos next week. Just to let you know. Bye.